This video covers Spelman's homework for Tuesday, October 4th. At this point, the homework questions should be getting pretty familiar because we're continuing to review unit rate and unit price. We're going to cover question 1 and 2 in this video in case you need a few examples. Question 1. An ant can travel at a constant speed of 980 inches every 5 minutes. At this rate, how far can the ant travel in 7 minutes? You might notice right away that we've got a ratio of inches to minutes. I know that the ant can travel 980 inches in 5 minutes. So of course, one way we can solve this problem is by setting up an equivalent ratio. 980 to 5 is equivalent to something to 7. But you might recognize that 5 times a whole number can't produce 7. So we would have a pretty tricky decimal factor on our hands. An easier way to solve this problem might be to calculate the inches per minute that the ant travels, which we can do simply by dividing 980 divided by 5. Since we know that the ant travels 980 inches in 5 minutes. This gives us a unit rate of 196. And don't forget the label. It's 196 inches per minute. Once I know that the ant can travel 196 inches per minute, I can easily calculate how far the ant travels in 7 minutes simply by multiplying. Notice that minutes, the unit, cancels out, and I'm left with 1,372 inches. It's important that when I see your work on a quiz or homework assignment, I see all the steps that are here on the screen, so I know how you found the unit rate and how you use the unit rate to find the final distance. Question 2. Here are the prices for cans of juice that are the same brand and the same size at different stores. Which store offers the best deal? Explain your reasoning. Notice that all of the prices given are for different amounts of cans. So while store Y is the most expensive, we're also getting the most. And so one way that we can compare is by calculating the unit price. And remember that unit price is simply defined as the price per one. So I'll show you an example. In store X, I have 4 cans for $2.48. If I split up $2.48 between 4 cans, I can find the cost per 1 can. $2.48 divided by 4 is equal to 62 cents. Right away, I can tell that store X is more expensive than store Z, where the cans cost 59 cents each. But you can make the same calculation for store Y to see whether that might be cheaper than store C. At the end, make sure that I have a full sentence of which store is the cheapest and how you know. That's the homework helper for Tuesday. As always, if you need any additional support, please make sure you're checking in with Ms. Canez before homework is due on